Hi guys, welcome back again to another new video. Today we're going to make creamy shrimp alfredo pasta, so stay tuned and enjoy the video. For this recipe we're going to need 1 onion and then some garlic and ginger, and then we're gonna need 1 cream and then or 2, the way it depends on the amount of shrimp you want to make with the pasta. And then you're gonna need a black pepper, you're gonna need a paprika powder, and then salt, and then our spaghetti, and then our shrimp or the prawns, and then our parmesan cheese and our normal cheese, mozzarella cheese, and of course our coriander and our butter and olive oil. It depends the oil you want to use, but I'm going to use olive oil. So stay tuned and enjoy this video. Now our water for spaghetti is ready. Let's going to add in our salt, and then we're gonna add in our spaghetti like that. I'm going to add more. So guys, I have our prawns. Just going to put it inside here. Another one also. And then we're going to add in our black pepper. Like you can add half a teaspoon, you know. So I'm just going to do that with my eye. I'm measuring it with my eye. I'm using the small part, that's why you can see as if it's too much. So, and then our paprika powder. We're going to mix this. To add our oil, so guys, right now we're going to add in our shrimp inside here. So then you're going to let it cook for 2 minutes, and then you're going to turn to the other side. So you have some here. Now we're going to turn it. Come here, you come here, yeah. Oh god, I like using spoon because it's much faster. Yeah. Just have to turn to the other side. Oh god, they're too small. Oh yeah, this one, yeah, this one, yeah, come here you kleine Junge. Guys, you should not let them overcook, so you have to be very careful. And this one, I don't know if I can this one. So we let this one cook for 2 minutes also, and then we remove it. So time to take it out. Don't let them overcook, guys. Just 2 minutes is enough. About 4 minutes both sides. Don't let it overcook. Do not like it. Oops. We're going now to put the second round. This is our second round, guys. So our first round is here. This is our second. Hope you can see the difference. So guys, our spaghetti is ready. I'm not going to pour the water, but I'm not going to rinse it, just to pour it the hot water. See, our spaghetti is here, and then we are done frying our prawns. Now we're going to put butter inside in the same pan. At the same time, we're going to add in our onions. We're going to cook this for like 4 to 5 minutes until the onions are golden brown. So we can add a little bit of salt to fasten up the process. Not too much, but a little bit. We're now going to add in our ginger garlic paste here. We're now going to add in our cooking cream. I'm going to add 2 bottles. 2 bottles. And then we let it cook for 2 minutes or 3. Our cream is now ready. We're going to add in our Parmesan cheese. Here we have it. Just stir it for 1 minute and then we switch off the heat. At this point, we can add in our salt. We're going to add in a little bit still. Our salt, and then our black pepper. Yeah. and then we stir. So now we're going to switch off our heat. So this is the next step we're going to do. I'm gonna put in our this again. Wow, it looks good already. Guys, the heat is off. Don't do this with the heat. It has to be off. So guys, we're going to add in our prawns, and then we stir it again the way I just did. Yeah. Now we are having alfredo pasta. Shrimp alfredo. Right now we're going to add in our coriander. Yeah, I love coriander. And lastly, our cheese too. And then we stir again, guys. Let me stir. We have our food.
Hello? Hello? Hi.
Wow, can I see that? So thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to comment and share. Bye bye.
Wow! Wow! Hey! Hey! See! Wow! Hey! See! Wow! Hey! See! Ah, nice. Hii ni starter. Bado appetizer. And then dessert. Yeah. Good. Hey, today.